WHO urges nations to prepare for disease worse than COVID-19. The World Health Organization has urged nations across the world to be at alert over the possible outbreak of a disease deadlier than coronavirus. Giving this stern warning on Tuesday while addressing the World Health Assembly Forum in Geneva, Switzerland, head of World Health Organization Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus stated that the threat of another public health crisis could not be kicked down the road. According to him, the threat of another pathogen emerging with even deadlier potentials remain. The World Health Organization had in 2018 identified 9 priority diseases that posed the greatest risk to public health. They were deemed to be most risky due to a lack of treatment or their ability to cause the pandemic. He also claimed that despite the darkest days of the coronavirus pandemic being consigned to history, a doomsday COVID variant with the power to send the world back to square one could still spawn. Ghebreyesus, however, went ahead to unveil a new global scheme to spot and track the most dangerous pathogen.
Earlier this month, the Secretariat published the 4th edition of the Global Strategic Preparedness and Response Plan for COVID-19, which outlines critical actions for countries in 5 core areas. The threat of another variant emerging that causes new surges of disease and death remains. And the threat of another pathogen emerging with even deadlier potential remains. And pandemics are far from the only threat we face. In a world of overlapping and converging crises, an effective architecture for health emergency preparedness and response must address emergencies of all kinds.